Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 12. His glorious grandsire, Bhishma, the oldest of the Kauravas, in order to cheer Duryodhana, now sounded aloud a lion's roar and blew his conch.
Chapter 1, Shloka 12. तस्य सञ्चनयन् हर्षं कुरु वृद्धपितामहः सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्गं तद्मो प्रधाभवान्.
In the previous shloka, number 11, we saw Duryodhana finally gave his instructions to all the people, including the divisional commanders. He said, wherever you are positioned, now be ready and disciplined to fight. And then he brought their attention that all should make sure that they protect the grandsire Bhishma. And now, here, Bhishma is also watching this situation. And what did Bhishma see? He saw that Duryodhana was blabbering all along, and Dronacharya was always silent. He did not respond. Seeing this position, he felt that Duryodhana's self-confidence was now started draining out. And he felt that the confusions in his mental mind were taking the better of him. And he said he felt that this thing is going to make him weak. Now he must do something because he is the defender. So what he did, we will come to know in the present shloka number 12. Sanjay is telling Dhritarashtra what Bhishma did. Bhishma made a loud sound. How did he make the sound? He blew his conch. And when he blew his conch, the loud sound which came out of it was as if it was a lion's roar. Now, what was the purpose of doing this? Here we've got two things. One is Bhishma wanted to cheer Duryodhana. He wanted to jerk him out of the line of negative thinking towards which he was going and stop his confusions from draining his energy. Second thing, he saw that all other people were also watching Duryodhana, and he felt that if this is not stopped, his mood will also now affect the other people, his allies, and then it will be detrimental to the war effort. So that is why he jerked everybody and he cheered Duryodhana. Then what happened after that? That we'll see in the next shloka in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.